So a moment ago I told you about trees and the root system of trees, and in the same way we can look at the source of something, right? So we often talk about the source of a river system or a lagoon, and here we have the source being the beach. And as the tide's coming in this afternoon, we can see the waves bringing forth water into the lagoon and filling it up and creating some kind of downstream for us. Now, knowing what's at the source, a bit like knowing what's at the root of the system, is really important. What are the sources feeding into the system? What is it that makes that system become alive? And if it's a completely greenfield system, it's new, what's its source going to be? How are you going to ensure continuity? How are you going to ensure cleanliness? How are you going to ensure that this is dynamic and that this continues, right? And with tides, we know they come in and they go out, and then they come in and they go out. And we have the moon, of course, and the sunrise through the sun. And so what about the system you're trying to build? What's at the source? And when I say to you what's at the source, I want you to think about what's propelling that system forward. Is it the end users? What feeds into that source? What kinds of flows of information? What kinds of flows of data? And if we know that, then we can ensure that the system is continuous and almost looks after itself. That's very, very important. That if there has to be pressure, human pressure provided for that to be continuous, then that's a bit of an issue, because systems work when they flow naturally and when they're in congruence with nature. And if that's not your system, you have to think twice about it.